Class 9th Biology Chapter 15 Improvement in Food Resources. Hello students. Have you ever think that are there any substances which can enhance the quality as well as production of crop? Yes, you are right. Manure and fertilizers are major sources of nutrients of plant, so they are used in crop production. So today we will discuss about manure and fertilizers. Manures are natural fertilizers. They are bulky resources of organic matter which supply nutrients in small quantities and organic matter in large quantities. Manures are prepared by the decomposed animal excreta and plant waste. Manures include farmyard manure, compost, green manures, and vermicompost. There are certain advantages of using manure, as they can affect the soil in different ways. First, they enrich the soil with nutrients. They replenish the general deficiency of nutrients in the soil. Since manures contain less nutrient, they need to be used in large quantities. Second, manures add organic matter, which is called as humus, to the soil, which restores the soil texture for better retention of water and aeration of soil. Third, the organic matter in manures provide food for the soil organisms, which help in providing nutrients to plant. Thus, organic manure helps to improve the physical properties of soil, reduce soil erosion, increase the moisture holding capacity of soil, and are low-cost nutrients carriers. Using biological waste material is a way of recycling the farm waste. So manure protect our environment from synthetic chemicals, that is fertilizers. There are certain limitations of using manure. Manure are bulky with low nutrient content. The nutrients get released slowly, unable to fulfill the high and rapid demand of nutrients required by improved high-yielding hybrid varieties of crop. They are inconvenient to handle, store, and transport. And also they are not nutrient specific, and hence are not much useful when a particular nutrient is required in the soil for a particular crop. Second, substances which can be used to enhance the quality and production of crop are fertilizers. Fertilizers provide plant nutrients and are commercially manufactured using chemicals. Fertilizers supply nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium and comes under the name as NPK. They are used for good vegetative growth, that is the growth of leaves, branches, and flowers, giving rise to healthy plant. They are one of the major components of obtaining higher yield, especially in expensive farming practices. Fertilizers contain much higher amount of nutrient in comparison to the manure and are therefore used in very small quantities. Fertilizers are very rich in plant nutrient such as nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium, and they does not add any humus to the soil. Being soluble in water, a fertilizer is readily absorbed by the crop plant. Fertilizer is compact and concentrated, so it is easy to store, transport, and apply to the crop. They are costly and are prepared in factories. That's all for this podcast, children. Have a nice day. Bye.